In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a folder in Wix, a simple but essential task to keep your digital workspace organized and efficient. Primarily, you will need to navigate to sites in your Wix account dashboard. This is where all your websites or projects are displayed. Can't see your projects? Make sure that you've logged into the right account. Once you're in the Sites section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find the option that says Create New Folder. Clicking this button will open a dialog box, ready for your input. It's of note that this feature is specifically designed for categorizing your sites according to their purpose, project, or any organization method that suits you best. Now, in this dialog box, you are prompted to enter a name for your new folder. This is where your skills for organization come into play. Think of a name that accurately defines the type of content you will store within this folder. Be descriptive yet concise. This will help you quickly identify what is stored inside whenever necessary. After you've keyed in a suitable name, look for the Create button, which is likely below the input field. Clicking this will officially create your new folder on your Wix dashboard. It's a simple process, and you can do it as many times as you want to group and differentiate your sites according to your preference. Following that, there's a possibility that you might have already had existing sites that you'd want to move into this new folder. To do that, you will first have to select the sites you want to move. This can be done by ticking the checkbox of each site or selecting multiple sites at once. Once the preferred sites are selected, look for the Move to Folder option. This option assists you in further organization of your sites by relocating them to the recently created folder. Clicking it will open a drop-down menu where you get to choose your destination folder. Since we've just created a new one, you're going to select your newly named folder. In essence, what you've done is to consolidate your chosen sites into one location using the newly created folder. The smooth organization is in your hands. You'll find this quite useful when managing multiple sites on Wix. It helps clearly differentiate one project from another, thereby reducing mistakes and confusion while increasing efficiency. Now, with this video, you've added one more skill to your Wix toolkit. Enjoy trying out more of such features to enhance your website building journey.